Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bea po from Courier, Philippines. So right now we're here at the Philippine Bicycle Demo Day, and the last day sana makaabot po kayo until 5 p.m. today. And introducing our staff, Edsel. Siya po si Mr. Shopee and Lazada namin para makita niyo pong lahat. That's Edsel. Hello.
Hello po, I'm Edsel Orjales.
And our ambassador,
Hello, I'm Annika. Hello.
Ayan. So, there po. So, to briefly show you po our new products, we actually have we call this the hybrid crop shirt for women's. Yan. And then, partner it with a couple hybrid polo for men's. There you go. We have it in black. And then, we also have new colors for the drifter tops. We have it in gray and camouflage. And it also has a version for the men's. As you can see, the drifter there. And the grays. Meron pa po kaming bago sa shirts naman po. We have the box tee for men's. Oversized shirts.
Oh, oversized?
Yes. So it also available in different colors. Very 90s. Siyempre, hindi naman papaiwan ng ladies. Dito po tayo sa ladies natin. We call this the box t-shirts. There. Pwede nyo po siya i-partner sa high waist shorts natin. There. And we actually the concept 90s fashion is very in these days. So yeah, we just ride with that. And we also want to show you pala our new shorts. This is the log shorts. We called it the new colorways. There you go. New colorways. And this is our newest shorts also. We call it the load shorts. Yeah. Ito sir yung, yeah, same as this one, the log shorts. And we also have the new model. We call it the crinkled load 10 shorts. It's repellent. Also, the zippers is repellent. Sir, pakita ko na rin po yung rucksack namin. Yan. It's a packable, lightweight backpack. As you can see, breathable straps, back straps. There. And then it turns po, when you pack it, it turns into a small pouch. Yes. For bike packing.
Or if you're here shopping and you need an extra bag,